हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम जेपी गोस्वामी। क्लास नाइन्थ के लिए आज हम लाए हैं चैप्टर 9, फोर्स एंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन। स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज फोर्स? फोर्स इज आइदर पुश और पुल। फोर्स is the thrust in a particular direction. Force is either push or pull. Force is push or pull. This is force. Force is the thrust in a particular direction. If we thrust anything, the object move in a particular direction. If I thrust, it goes in a particular direction. So we can say force is vector quantity because it has magnitude and direction. What are type of forces, students? There are many type of forces. For example, contact forces, friction forces, tension forces, normal force, air resistance force, gravitational force, electric force, magnetic force, spring force, field force, and applied force. These are some examples of type of forces. Students, what happens when we applied force? Force can do the following thing. For example, number 1, force can move stationary object. Force can move stationary object. It can stop a moving object. A moving object can stop by applying force. Force can change the direction of moving object. Force can change the direction of moving object. Force can change the shape of object. Force can change the shape of object. It can break the object. It can join or bind the object. So you knew that what can force do? Force can many things.